My father will never forget my first words. Where the fuck have you been for the past 18 years?
Got him! Got him!
I've noticed people that are for abortion are already alive. My girlfriend is always taking my t-shirts and my sweatshirts. But as soon as I take one of her dresses, suddenly we have to talk. Life is like toilet paper. You're either on a roll or taking somebody else's shit. What's worse than waking up at a party with a penis drawn on your forehead? Finding out that the penis was traced. People used to laugh at me when I said that I wanted to be a comedian. Nobody's laughing now. If I wanted to kill myself, I'd climb your ego and jump to your IQ.
Got him!
You're so ugly that when your mom dropped you off at school, she got a $100 fine for littering.
You're dead.
I was at the bank the other day, and an old woman approached me and asked me to check her balance. So I pushed her over. Phones are getting thinner and smarter. People, not so much. LSD causes users to lose weight. Obviously, you can't eat when you're running from a dragon. My girlfriend said that she was leaving me because I keep pretending to be a transformer. I told her no. Wait. I can change. If Snapchat has taught me anything, it's that most of you females look better as farm animals. What do you call a security guard outside of a Samsung store? Guardian of the Galaxy. Whenever I pass somebody texting and driving, I get really angry and I throw my beer at them.
These nuts. Got him! Got him!